What is up, and welcome to the Sonic Roadkill Cafe Season 2 preview. I don't know if that name's going to change. Excuse me. Season 2 preview and set slash my kitchen pantry go through. So we're going to start here. This is where all my spices are. Hey, Duke. Duke always wants to be in the episode. This is where, obviously, this island pulls out, and this is where I normally stand and shoot future episodes. Duke is right where that should be. And I'll show you what's in here. This is mostly bar stuff, bar supplies, glasses, glassware, wine, and lots of seltzers. And then, right now I'm just cooking some TVP fake chicken. I'm going to be soaking some beans a little bit later. Right, so, I mean, it's a minor detail, but I turned these pots and pans around just because that was bugging me. I don't like showing off my dirty wok. Or it's not dirty, it's just like, I don't know, it's scratched or whatever it is. Anyway, I still use it though. Those are the pots and pans. This is just, these are my general dishes cabinet. Coffee stuff up there. More mugs hanging over there. Seattle cutting board that I never actually use. It's just for decorations and pot holders. This is what I actually want to show because I'm super. If you've seen the episode, sometimes you see me in this cabinet, and I don't know if it looks that different to you, but it is super organized for me. All the beans now, so I have all the beans there, and then it continues on over here. Have my flours together, all my hot sauces, and then back there is like storage. Now it's harder to get to. I have my sort of novelty appliances up here now. The retro mixmaster that I rarely use, but it actually does work. That weird like bullet dial knob. The slush puppy that was popular in the summertime, and then the back there cotton candy maker, which I've never actually tried to use. Let's see what else. Sort of, and then so flour is here. Behind flour is like baking supplies. They're like breadcrumbs, cornmeal. Over there is more like sweet baking supplies. They're like shredded coconut and chocolate chips. There's like baking soda, baking powder, all that kind of stuff. There are different kinds of oils over here. Back there, you can't really see it, but there are different kinds of seaweed, and behind there are some dried mushrooms. Am I going to show? I will show. I will show my other cabinet. This is fine. Various nut butters. This is more snacky stuff. Ramen. Canned soups and chilies, sliced tomatoes, sliced olives, Jello pudding, which is vegan, mac and cheese, various vegan mac and cheese, cheesy cheese. I don't know, I have this on my grocery list, but I realized, okay, do not buy steel cut oats. Okay, don't buy steel cut oats. Good thing I looked in that cabinet. Those are Goldie and Tilly's eggs. And then I will show, hey Duke, am I going to show? Yeah, I'll show my fridge. It's not much to see because the light is out, but yeah, I've got soy yogurts, not dogs. They're still advertising light year on those. Various mustards and condiments, more condiments, and lemon juice, more condiments. Various soy milks and creamers, some juice. I drink a lot of orange juice. Some blueberries, curry paste. Lisa is back there. You can see it going on. What is this? Oops. Flaxseed. There's like different kinds of powders and stuff. There's some tortillas, pizza shell, jam. Here's my wine. Oh. Anyway, and then here I showed that. I will show this off. I'm not ashamed. This is my last sort of. There's some breakfast cereals which are on the floor because I brought up other spaces, bars. This is all like junk and snacks, and I'm like, I really just need to get rid of it. And so my excuse is like to put it on the floor and be like, bleh, I don't respect you. But no, really, I'm not respecting. Whatever. And then yeah, wine and fizzy water. So that's it. And then over here, let's see, over here are the teas. That lavender chamomile, which I had never had before, is good. And Bigelow tea is not, in constant comment, I didn't know they made a decaf. I'm super glad for that. But yeah, Bigelow tea is not necessarily the most impressive, but yeah, no, that lavender chamomile is good. Here are some cookbooks, plant. Oh, did I show off? Yeah, no, I have the plants. This is where the dishes are. That's a tomato plant that's neither alive nor dead. I don't understand, but I continue to water it. Some implements and utensils. Over here is sort of all my copperware. That's purely for decoration because is it honey? It's actually honey, so. Yeah, nuts and fruit and honey. So I'm not ever going to eat that, and I don't know why. Yeah, I probably just get rid of it because it doesn't really represent who I am as a human being. But I don't know how it came into my possession. It was a gift or something. But since I can't remember who it's from, maybe it's time to be done with it. Okay, there you go. And whoever it was didn't know me well. No, I'm vegan. Whatever. Sorry if that's someone who watches this channel. Hi, Karma. She wanted to be in the episode too. Meow. Hi, Boop. Yeah, hi. Waffle maker. I just found out that these are roots. These long, I don't know why it didn't occur to me. Those are literally roots. And so, yeah, my Monstera plant. Whoops. Oh, shucksy darn. I kicked over the water thing. I will. Okay, yeah, well, I guess I'm doing the full kitchen tour. These are cleaning supplies. Wow, not really spread a lot of water. All right, more cookbooks down here. These are actually where all my vegan cookbooks are. More wine down here. And then that's a project I want to paint. This accent wall and that wall back there, but that's probably for season 3. Okay, and then this is typically the episode ends with. This is where the meal is consumed. We got a new lamp for this area. Yeah. Karma wants to be in the episode, like I said. Fruit. Avocados. Are they from Mexico? Index fresh. Avocado. It doesn't actually say. Oh, distributed by. I don't know if these are avocados. Oh, products of Mexico. Avocados of Mexico. Yep, they are. Karma, I have nothing to give you. I don't know what you're performing chicks. This is a wet rag. She's like, give me the wet rag. Give me the wet rag. Did somebody say wet rag? What? Bro. I don't know what any of you thought is going on. That is so wild. It's literally just a wet rag. Did I say espresso machine, ice cream maker. That's like a chopper thing. Some other stuff, bags. What's like what's in here? Oh yeah, more wraps and stuff. Okay, and then back there's a salad shooter. That actually works as well, even though that's more just like hi. Okay. I know all of you have food. I really don't know why you're being so clingy. Okay. Thanks for watching. And watch season 2. I know it's cliche, but I'm gonna have some holiday stuff. I'm gonna do some New Year's Day like Johnny Cakes and Black Eyed Peas. Yeah, okay. More coming soon. Thanks for watching.